So it is the Tuesday after Easter, and my friend Marilisa brought the twins some Kinder Surprise eggs from Canada. So I'm gonna let them open it. Well, Jude will probably open it first, but I'm gonna open the box because they don't know how to open boxes. So I guess they have girl ones and boy ones. So you can hear it. Oh, you sound terrible, buddy. Alright. Maybe we'll record Jude opening some and then the twins opening some. What? Okay. Hold on, wait. So, let's see if Jude will open these. Jude, you want to open this? It has a surprise inside. Sit down. Sit down. All the way down. Sit down. There you go. Here. You gotta unpeel it. Look, I'll rip it a little bit. There you go. Look. Look. Sit down so I can see what you're doing. What is it?
Chocolate.
Yeah, but there's something inside. See if you could crack it. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, it's white chocolate inside. What is this? There's a surprise in here. Or I'll take care of it in a minute.
Ooh, wow, yummy.
How is it good? It's from Canada. Canadian chocolate is good? I guess so. You didn't even want to open the surprise. I want to know what's in here. How do we open this? Oh! See what it is. Come on. Oh, what is it? Let me see. Whoa, what is that? You gotta turn it around. What is that, Jude? Let's see. Oh, what is that?
It's gonna be a motorcycle.
I think it's a skateboard.
It's for people.
Trying to do this one-handed.
Oh no. Another one.
Alright, hold on.
Wow.
This is not working out. Wait, I want to see. You already opened it?
Yep, it was mine.
Oh, your sister too. Let me see. Can I try this chocolate? That's pretty good. Canadian chocolate. Good. So for Lennon and London, I'm going to peel it and let them open it. We'll see. It comes like this. A little chocolate bag. It's sealed on the sides. Don't open this one. This is for your brother. And then I'm going to let London open one. Oh, hers is open already. So,
Right in here.
this is London's.
Oh, wow. Oh. I just opened it.
You opened it. And these little capsules come inside. And you gotta open it. Oh my goodness, guys. It is the tiniest little bunny. Look. How cute.
One's me.
Hey, but I want to see him. Look how cute he is. Little tiny bunny. And
Let's see what's in here.
what?
Another one. Another one.
Okay, wait. Your sister has to open one. You can't open them all. You gotta wait. Alright, let's go see the twins open them. Well, London's is half open. You can open it.
I opened 5.
Alright. Open it. You bite it? It's chocolate. Bite it.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Look. Good. I want you to know, aside from Enemans brownie muffins, I think this is Lennon's first chocolate. Chew, 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 okay? Yeah.
Oh, Johnny.
We got 6 eggs. Jude ate 4 of them already. Well, I ate half of one. So 3.5.
Let
me see.
2, 3,
Good?
4, 5. I lifted 5.
You can go like this, look.
I lifted 5.
Yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cookies good, huh?
5.
Alright, let's see if London will... London's a little cracked because Jude got into it first. Go ahead, open it, Mommy. Open it. It's chocolate. Whoa.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is that inside?
I don't know. You can eat that, Mommy. You can eat this. It's chocolate. Try it. Chew, chew, chew.
Oh, look.
Here, try a piece. London does not want to try the chocolate. No? You want to see what's in there?
That's gone.
There you go.
Hold it.
Hold on. Okay. Whoa, what is that? Let's see.
What is that?
I don't know. Let me see. It's a little frog. Look.
Larry left you at home.
Oh, I know what this is. This is like paint. You would wet that and it's a little brush. Look. Okay. Let's see. Lennon liked the chocolate. You want me to open this? That's not to eat, buddy. You don't have to eat this one. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. No wonder they don't have these here. Look at these tiny pieces. All right, let me see.
Oh, baby.
Hey! Hey! Hold on, puppy. This is like a little... Hold on, puppy. You want more chocolate? Let me see. Hold on, puppy. Hold on. This is like a lot of tiny pieces. I don't even know what's in there. Hold on. Here. Lennon was a fan of the chocolate, not so much of the toy. London, the toy, not so much the chocolate. London, you want to try it? It's good. Look. Look. Mmm. Mama, mas is more in Spanish. Lennon is a fan of chocolate. London likes the toy. Alright guys, that's all. So thanks for watching our Kinder Surprise video. It's probably the boringest Kinder Surprise video you've ever seen. But say hi. Say bye guys. Say hi.
Hi.
No? You're not full of chocolate?
No.
Alright, go ahead. You can open it. Excuse all this here. Jude said he's going to open this one because he's not full of chocolate.
I wonder what's in the yellow.
Oh. Remember what I said? You got to squeeze it. There you go. It's in there. What is it? What is it? Is it a dinosaur? Guys, let me show it to them. Hold on. It's a little dinosaur.
He's good too.
He is called a prognathodon. Here, I'll let you figure that out.
He's a chronododon.
Yeah, you got that?
He's a
Alright.
chronododon. Yes, very nice. Goodbye.
This is our Kinder Surprise aftermath. There's still half an egg left. Jude